There were three main lessons embedded in this month's Creative Edge. The first is that April was Earth Month, and the importance to step back, to take time out of our busy routines, to honor the true brilliance that is the natural world. As designers, it can be incredibly rewarding to create something and then to install it in a perfect location outdoors. A design like this can resonate with the environment surrounding it, observing both the laws of nature as well as the principles of design. A setting like this can help us design within nature's physical and visual balance and observe the relationship between it and its surroundings, contrasting its differences or highlighting its similarities. The second lesson is about setting a parameter to our task. In this case, to build a nest form and to flower it, but in balance with its supposed functionality. Figuring out a way to craft these nature-inspired vessels as a structure for the accenting flowers. To challenge oneself to not only find the perfect location, but also to flower it on site without any disruption of these natural settings, and to make sure to leave no trace behind afterwards. The final lesson for this month's article was about designing for the camera outdoors. It was about creating a design that was flattering to the eye of the camera. This series was dependent on working in tandem with my photographer, videographer, Colin. Which location should we choose? What time of the day should we photograph? What compositions and directions look best for photography? The end result is not only the arrangement itself, but rather the images captured on film. Nests had to be easily carried by hand to the chosen locations. The designs had to be planned for the available natural lighting, and we had to be prepared for the potential of wear and tear of the outside elements. I wanted each flower nest to be the surprise found in nature, one that may provide an enchanting experience for the occasional hiker that crossed our paths while filming. Three nest forms were studied and explored: the cup nest, common to most birds like the robin, a pendant nest like the ones crafted by weaver birds, and finally a platform nest much like the ones built by larger birds like eagles. There are so many inspirations and lessons that can be learned in Mother Nature's classroom. There are no crazy man-made rules out there. I urge you to try creating your own botanical installation outdoors. It's a truly enlightening design experience. It will open your eyes to opportunities that you had not noticed before. Share your get outside experience with flowers. You will have so much fun, like I did.